Hello, welcome to G67 8.2AB PBA 52 tutorial. Let's just get going here. As the English would say, this one's a bugga. Actually, I don't know if English should say that. I just made that up. Okay, wow, we got some stuff going on here. We're going to have to do some adding and subtracting. Because basically what we're trying to get here is something like this. We want something like, x equals 12 or something that we can understand. So in this case over here, we're going to have to do some rewriting. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract an x from this side. I'm going to subtract an x from this side. Equal signs here. A positive x and a negative x cross off, leaving me over on this side with 4 x's plus 9 equaling a negative 23. Now I'm going to subtract 9 from this side. I'm going to subtract 9 from this side. Positive 9, negative 9 cross off. Now I'm left with 4 x's equal a negative 32. Now I can divide by 4. I can divide by 4. And finally, I'm going to get that down to x equals negative 8. Get that a little bit bigger so you can see it. So we've got a negative 8. So then we go up here and we find every time we see a negative 8, we're going to put in G. I believe that is what we do here. Negative 8. There's a G. There's a G. Okay. Let's see what else we got. Let's try another one. Let's go right to the old middle of the paper. Alright, so what are we going to do? I like U on my left hand side, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to subtract U first, subtract 5U, subtract 5U. Zero track setup. This is where they really come in happy. Very helpful. Plus 5 minus 5U, that's 0, so I got 29 over here. And here I've got 7 minus, these are the same sign, so this is 11U equals 29. So I'm going to subtract 7 here to get the U by itself. Now I've got 11U, negative 11U, that equals 22. Alright, so now I'm going to divide by a negative 11, divide by a negative 11. We get that down to U equals 22 divided by 11 is 2. One negative sign, it's going to be negative 2. So we can go up the negative 2's and put in i's. Probably be a few of those. I is pretty popular letter. And if you miss any or I miss any, we can always catch those at the end. Okay, let's try one more. Try the very first one up here. All right, make this even a little bit bigger so you can see it even better, and we won't worry so much about the puzzle. Set my railroad tracks. Whatever I do to the left side, I'm going to have to do to the right side. So I'm going to subtract 4n from this side. I'm going to subtract 4n from that side. Plus 4n minus 4n cancel out. 7n minus 4n gives me 3n plus 2 equaling 17 on this side. I am going to subtract 2 from here. I am going to subtract 2 from here. And now I've got 3n equals, so 17 minus 2 is 15. So now I'm going to divide by 3. Divide by 3. You end up with These cross off, you end up with n equals 15 divided by 3 is 5. So we'll put an S in where there's a 5. I'm sure there'll be a few of those. Actually, just one, maybe. Okay. Again, we can check it out later if we miss something. We always have our answers right there. Okay, good luck as you work through these. These are a little harder, but whatever you do to one side of the equation, you got to do to the other. Just kind of distribute if necessary and combine where you need it. I can do one to distribute. You need two, maybe. This is a bonus because I like ya. And I'm the greatest guy who ever lived. Okay, so I'm going to distribute this out, and we'll do it up here so I have a little more room. So I have so we'll have Q plus 14 equals, this is going to be 8Q plus 56. Let me just double check. 8Q, 8 times 7 is 56. Okay, so I'm going to subtract 8Q from this side. Minus 8Q. The railroad tracks going here. Well, these cross off. We've got 56 over here. And now on this side, we've got a different sign. So the difference is going to be negative 7Q plus 14. So I'm going to subtract 14 here, subtract 14 here. Now I've got negative 7Q equals 42. So I'm going to divide by a negative 7 on both sides. The negative 7s cancel out. We end up with a Q, and it's positive, equals 6, and 42 divided by 7 is 6, but it's a positive divided by a negative, so it's a negative 6. So we're going to put U where we see negative 6. I'll let you deal with the positive portion. Okay, good luck. There's my work on that last one. Sorry, I forgot to slide it down.